Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my unique version of Bespin Luke and how you can make it. Making this video because I don't have the official one or the money to spend on it at the moment, so this is what I'm using instead. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, the legs that I am using come from Abby Yates, and these have some nice little pockets and a nice dual mould, so I thought it worked quite well. The hips, the torso and the arms come from this Mini Cooper Rally Driver minifigure, and I swapped on some peach hands. The head that I am using comes from the Mandalorian Luke Skywalker minifigure because it's got nice expressions. Finally, the hair that I'm using comes from the Owen minifigure from the LEGO Dimensions Jurassic World. If you've done that all right, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm quite happy with how this minifigure looks, and I think it's a good stand-in for if you don't have the official one but you have these parts. If you have any ideas, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you liked this video, maybe give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. You can find more minifigure tutorials in my playlist, and I should have linked a video on how to improve the official Mandalorian Luke Skywalker minifigure.